We are talking Tropical Storm Melissa today. This is Chief Meteorologist Amy Metz with the United Cajun Navy. Right now, Thursday, October 23rd, around 11 a.m. Central Time, we see Melissa as a tropical storm, 46 miles per hour, with the wind speeds at the center gusting to 58. Over the next few days, there's going to be a lot of intensification. By the weekend, I'll stop here where we have just before Category 1, projected on Friday. As this storm gets closer to Jamaica, it will be intaking some more shallow and warmer water. That's one reason it'll be able to organize and get stronger. We look at the forecast by, we're going into Saturday now, Category 2 storm just off the coast, getting within a couple hundred miles of Jamaica. They would then be getting some rainfall, extreme rainfall amounts, starting to pick up by the time we're looking at these wind speeds around 121 miles an hour. So Category 3 storm, by the time we're reaching Sunday, is likely. Now, if we get to Category 4, this is very likely that we're going to be having this storm ending up this strong, but also what's going to be happening is surge at this point. There will be water pushing in to these southern shores of Jamaica, and at the same time, more than a foot of rain for most people right there, really across most of the island. The ranges are going to be about 6 inches on the furthest west end, up to more than 2 feet. As we look at that with the surge, this could become extremely impactful, extremely devastating for the area. It's important that people are knowing that it's time to get out of the way before this storm gets too close. There are a few days left to move, but it's important to get to higher ground, to get to the north, to get to the west. As far as the rest of the United States is concerned, there's just a small chance that this storm could be crossing over Cuba. Now, if this frontal action that we see, you can see a little bit of cloud cover here over the Atlantic. That is associated with a front. If this moves out of the way and nothing else comes to push or steer the storm toward the east, like most of these models project, there would be a chance that we do need to keep our eyes on this for the United States. I don't want to go ahead and say it's going to go there. We do know that most of the data kind of tells us that there's a good chance it will go out to sea, but we will keep a close eye on this as winter sets in up toward the north. You can see a lot of these freeze warnings as we look into Ohio, Indiana, Kentucky. We're going to be having some very chilly temperatures there, but hey, we're with you too. Over here in Alaska, Josh and I are in Bethel today, and we're going to be dealing with wind chills about 15 degrees. It's snowing a little here, so everybody make sure that you're being safe with these storms coming in. The big major thing here is going to be the wind, otherwise across the Appalachian Mountain. And let's see if I can get this code up is what I'm trying to do here. That's not coming up, but what that color here, the tan, is for is simply that it's going to be high winds there today.